It's 2021, and as the COVID pandemic continues to grow and change around us, many of us find ourselves continuing to work from home. How many of us are still participating in Zoom calls that look like this? This doesn't have to be you. There are better ways, and I'm going to show you several free and low-cost options to drastically improve the quality of your Zoom calls. All right, that's a bit better. The most important elements to consider when participating in a video call are lighting, video, sound, and staging. Whether you are presenting or participating, there's no need to embarrass yourself if by chance you end up on screen. There are several low-cost options for lighting. One of the easiest ways to get great lighting for any video call is to go ahead and place yourself in front of a window out of direct sunlight. If that's not a possibility, I'd recommend investing in a low-cost ring light or bar light. The best results, you want to turn off your overhead lights and use a light front-facing from behind your computer screen. One of the changes I've made here is to switch from the built-in webcam on my laptop to an external webcam that has a little bit better quality. Another important tool to remember when working on a video call is your audio. If it is at all possible with the setup you're working with, use headphones with a connection using an actual wire to your computer. Now, why are wires important? Wired headphones are always going to be more reliable than wireless. You don't have to worry about the battery dying or a poor connection. Why are headphones important when working with a video call? If you've ever been a part of a video call where there's a terrible echo in the background, that's probably because somebody was not using headphones. When you're not using headphones, the audio coming out of your screen goes back into your mic. It causes feedback loops, and it can really diminish everyone's experience on the call. Now, when you're looking at sound, an easy option is to go ahead and use headphones that have a built-in microphone. That way you don't have to worry about sound quality issues. If you do not have or you're not comfortable with a microphone built into your headphones, you can also use a different corded mic, or you can use the microphone that is built in your computer or in your external webcam. All of those sound options are going to work just fine for a call like this, as long as you are using your headphones so you're not getting that feedback loop. So now that we've talked about cameras, lights, and microphones, the last element is staging. Now, the easiest way to stage for a call is just to make sure that the space that you are in is clean, clutter-free, and that there's not any light interference that's going to interrupt your presentation. If there's any doubt, or you have an office that's as cluttered as mine, I recommend using a green screen and an artificial background, as you see here. Now, if you're using Zoom specifically, it has some built-in options that are going to be professional and appropriate. And if you do have a green screen, it's going to look a lot smoother than if you try using one of those artificial backgrounds without a green screen. You can definitely spice up backgrounds by creating your own using any graphic design program. I recommend Canva. That's what I've used for this image. Using Canva, you can create a background that includes your logo, as I've done here. Or if you are a more advanced user, you can use a free program like OBS Studio to create layers to your video. This will allow you to do things like add your name and title to your video, put your logo in different locations. So if you're going to use different backgrounds, you can move it around. Any of these steps are going to go a long way to improving the quality of your Zoom calls. and making sure you look like a professional when you're presenting to your peers.